Here we have a 20-plate BMW 330e M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with over £3,000 worth of optional extras, all listed on the website. Just to mention one though, we do have the M Sport Plus package. 19-inch alloy wheels in gloss black, all in excellent condition with the blue M Sport brake calipers. We have the mineral grey metallic paintwork, LED headlights, also got the gloss black front grills, gloss black front splitter as well. This vehicle has the M Performance kit, so as we make our way around to the passenger side, you'll find the side skirts along the bottom, colour coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows, and the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Up top we have the shark fin antennae. We also have the rear spoiler lip on the tailgate. And coming around to the rear, you find front and rear parking sensors. We also have a reversing camera. Got the dual exit exhaust with the rear diffuser. There's a look at the rear end. And then back round to the driver's side, you find this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if we take a look now at the interior, coming into the back first, you find we have the full black leather interior. We have the foldable armrest in the centre and the fixed ISO points, ambient lighting you may have noticed on the doors, and also the climate control we have for the rear passengers as well. Again, got the same full leather interior for the front. Both front seats are heated with the M Sport style seat belts. Just take a seat inside as it is raining. Got the digital dashboard in front of us. Multifunctional steering wheel as well with paddle shifters either side. Got the speed limiter and the cruise control on the left hand side. Automatic wipers and automatic lights. Electric windows and electric mirrors. Premium Harman Kardon sound system. We also have the main screen in the centre. So this is touchscreen, but we also have the shortcuts down here. Click onto the map, you find the sat-nav navigation. We also have the media where you find we have the radio stations. We also have the Bluetooth audio, we have the Bluetooth phone connectivity for making phone calls. We also have the apps that are currently installed, along with the Apple CarPlay and the Android Auto. Go into the main menu. If we go on to car, then you find the settings just here with the interior ambient lighting. Plenty of colours, which we can go through just there. Also got the intelligent safety system, making it a very safe vehicle to drive. Got the climate control with the ice-cold air conditioning, heated seats as well on either side. Got the automatic gearbox just there, the different drive modes as well. Electric handbrake and the auto hold button. Leather armrest in the centre. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today though. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.